Hello traders, in this video we are going to be talking about the Breaker EA Crypto for MT5. A breakout focused tool designed specifically for cryptocurrency markets. This EA aims to catch significant level breaks in volatile assets like Bitcoin or other majors. The developer positions it as a precision breakout system. So let's walk through the claims, how it works, and what my own backtext actually showed. Well, before we dive into the EA, you can download the free Forex toolbox for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so getting into it on the MQL5 page, as you can see from this listing, the Breaker EA is built around classic breakout logic. It identifies key price levels, often support and resistance, or consolidation boundaries, and enters trades when price decisively breaks through them with momentum. So this is a popular approach in crypto because these markets can produce strong directional moves once a level is taken. So you can see it says the EA detects confirmed swing highs and lows and places buy stop and sell stop orders to trade real breakout momentum. All right, so the EA includes filters to reduce false breakouts such as volume confirmation, minimum break size, or volatility checks. Risk management is emphasized with stop losses placed behind the broken level, which is standard for breakout systems to keep risk defined. Take profits could be fixed or based on measured moves from the range. Alright, so it runs on MT5 as you can see. It's best for BTC and VPS recommended for 24/7 trading, and this is compatible with MetaTrader 5. Right, it's presented as a cleaner directional breakout tool. Developers of these EAs usually highlight the potential for capturing big trends while controlling losses on fakes. Alright, so as for the key features, they typically include customizable breakout parameters, confirmation filters, dynamic or fixed stop/take profit levels, and possibly trailing stops to let winners run. Lot sizing options, fixed or risk based, are important for volatile crypto. Other useful tools might involve session filters if you want to avoid low liquidity periods, marks, spread/slippage protection, and magic number supports for running alongside other EAs. The panel or impulse allows you to fine tune for different crypto pairs and timeframes. Overall, it's marketed as straightforward for traders who believe in breakout momentum but want automated execution and risk controls. So let's take a look at some of the screenshots here on the page. You can see the results. Right, as you can see, if you take a look at the equity curve, you can see how it moves. Starts off kind of slow initially, but then over time, it kind of moves sharply in like a 45-degree angle to the upside. So it looks like a very good performance overall. But we're not just going to take it at face value. We're going to take it through our own personal back test and see if that actually holds up. So the stats for this result, as you can see, the total net profits. Okay, the initial deposits here wasn't shown, but apparently total net profits over the period was 21,887,772. The profit factor was 2.45, and the balance drawdown was 1.23. So it looks pretty good on paper, but let's take it through our own personal backtests and see how it compares. Just going to go to our MetaTrader 5. Alright, so I had the opportunity of running this EA on the recommended pair BTC on the M15 time frame for the custom period of a year ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. All right, for this, I got the following results. Let's take a look at the equity curve first. So looking at the equity curve on a 10K account, it started relatively flat with some small ups and downs, and then had a noticeable decline, as you can see here, through the middle period before some recovery attempts toward the end. But as you can see, overall, it didn't manage to do that, and over time, we actually ended up in a loss. So this is quite different from what we have on the developers page. As you can see, the equity curve looks almost opposites to what we had on the page, which was like a 45-degree line up. But here you can see many periods of struggles, many drawdowns, and then overall, it didn't manage to recover even back to its initial deposits. So let's take a look at the results. So as you can see, the total net profit was actually in a loss, minus 6.98, and the profit factor was below 1, which is bad, 0.72, and the balance drawdown was 0.08%. Right, so that's how we have it. So compared to the typical developer claims for these tools or for this particular EA, strong performance in trending crypto markets without controlled risks. My test period highlighted the challenges during ranging or low momentum phases. The tight drawdown suggests good stop placement, but the overall edge was limited here. So honestly, the features that actually matter are your breakout level settings, confirmation filters to avoid noise, proper risks per trade, which is very important in crypto, and choosing the right pairs or time frames. The core logic is solid in theory, but execution and market conditions make all the difference. Right? As for the nuances, crypto moves fast and can fake out breakouts frequently, especially around news or low liquidity. Small stops protect you, but mean higher win rates is needed. Live trading brings spreads, slippage, exchange fees, and sudden volatility spikes that backtests don't fully capture. Broker and exchange choice is critical. Confitting is a risk if heavily optimized on past data. So in practice, this means you need patience during drawdown streaks and strong risk discipline. It's not a magic money printer, more like a tool that rewards good market selection. So it's basically for experienced crypto traders who understand technical breakouts, can tolerate periods of small losses, and actively monitor or select pairs. It's good if you like momentum trading and have a plan for ranging markets. But you want to avoid this if you're a beginner or want super consistent small gains, dislike drawdowns, or expect fully hands-off performance in all market conditions. So overall, the Breaker EA offers a clean breakout approach for crypto without the dangerous averaging tactics common in other EAs. It has potential in strong trending environments, but requires realistic expectations and proper testing. Always start on demo with small risks. So if you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to test next. And don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.